Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today we're going to make some steak sandwiches, okay? So it's going to be fast and easy, guys. I promise you that, okay? Let me show you guys what I have for you. Okay, as you can see, I have my mushrooms, okay? And one jalapeno, okay? And I have my steaks already marinated, okay? You see, I got the little tiny ones, okay? Because that's when you're making your steak sandwiches, guys, that's what you use, okay? So what I did, guys, I have some paprika and Italian seasoning and some Creole seasoning and garlic and pepper flakes, um, black peppers, and some olive oil. And I also added some salt, and that's it. Okay, so very easy, guys. And also I have my lettuce, okay, already washed, and I have some spinach, okay. I have my vegetables, tomatoes, onions, and green bell peppers I'm going to use for my sandwiches, okay. And I have 2 foot long bread, okay. So that's it, guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some olive oil for my steaks. Okay, I think that should be enough. Okay, let me show you guys my pan. Okay, let me put everything away, guys. Guys, I can't wait. I'm so excited for my sandwiches. Oh, my this is going in the fridge in a minute. Okay, so what we're going to do now, guys, I'm going to let the oil a little bit like warm before we start, and then I have to grab like a few things, guys, and then when we come back, we'll start. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to add our steaks. My hands are washed, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to let that cook. Okay, and then when we come back, we'll start flipping them over. Okay, you see that they already changing color. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now everything's ready. I mean, not everything. Okay, just the one that I put first. Okay, I'm getting them out now. Okay. Guys, it smells so good in the kitchen. Okay, next, going to finish up the rest of it. Okay, just put the big hand in there. I'm not going to add any more oil, guys. Just going to let it cook because I'm going to use the same pot for my mushrooms and my green peppers. Just everything okay. This. Okay guys, I'm going to let that cook. Okay, and then when we come back guys, everything should be ready. Okay, and then we'll start with our sandwich. Okay, come back. Okay guys, everything's the steaks are cooked. Okay, you see that? Now what we're going to do next guys, I'm going to use the same pot, okay, for my mushrooms. Okay, and jalapenos I'm adding. Okay, give it a stir. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of onions. A little bit of green peppers. Okay. Give it a stir. Guys, I'm not going to add any seasoning. Okay, because I'm using the one that's left in the pot. Okay, smells so good guys. Okay, I'm going to just finish that up guys, and then when we come back, everything should be ready for our breads, and then okay, come back. Okay guys, now everything's ready. Now it's time for us to start making our sandwich. Okay, let me show you guys what I have. Okay, you see that? Okay, all my breads are cut. You see? So what I'm going to do, and then by the way, my steak's already cooked. Okay, and I have my mushrooms. There it is. Okay, so what we're going to do guys now, I think we should add some mayonnaise. Yes, you know what? I'll be back. Let me go get some mayonnaise. Okay, come back. Okay guys, since I don't have mayonnaise, I'm going to use my Caesar dressing. Okay, guys, you have to use your head. Okay, so because it's good for everything. So I'm going to spread it around. Okay, like that. Not too much. Okay, just like that guys. Whatever you have in your hand guys, just make it work. Okay, spread it around. It's optional guys. If you don't want to use mayonnaise or you don't want to use any of that, you can just go ahead, do whatever you want. Okay, me, that's how I make my sandwiches. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my steaks. Okay, oh by the way guys, I have some cheese. I have some American cheese guys. Okay, I'm going to do some of them with cheese, some without cheese guys. One. Don't worry, my hands are clean guys. Okay, and make this one. This. Okay. Over here. Alright. Very easy guys and simple. If you don't want to cook big food, now you have an idea what to make whenever you don't have time. Okay, let me cover that up. Okay, I have my cheese. I'm going to use some cheese guys. You know what guys, before I do anything, let me add my mushrooms first. get some. Guys, it's so delicious. It smells so good in here. I wish you guys were here sharing that with me. Okay. And I have to do some cleanup, guys, after that. Okay, I'm adding my cheese. I get excited, guys, when I'm cooking. Come on. I'm only using 2 pieces of cheese, guys. Yeah. Okay. And you know, I think that's because my son only like the cheese. Okay. Now what I'm going to do next, guys, I'm adding some my lettuce. Okay, my hands are clean, guys. Don't worry. Okay. Spinach. Guys, we're going to have some big sandwiches. Just like when you go to the restaurant. Okay, spinach and okay, let me put that away. Now going to add some green peppers. Okay. Like that. Onions. Okay, guys, I'm going to finish that up. Okay, when we come back, I'll show you guys the rest. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now everything is done. Let me show you guys my sandwiches. Okay, there it is. See that, guys? Everything's done. This is how you make a steak sandwiches. Okay, so that's it. All right. If you guys like this video, this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Okay, remember to share with your family and friends and give it a try, guys. It's really good. And also, if you have any comments, leave it down below, box below. Okay, so and I will answer, guys. Okay, so have a wonderful day. Bye. Enjoy.